Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about an amazing spice that has tons of health benefits, clove. Who hasn't tasted rice pudding or compote with those unique cloves, right? They give a special touch to those delicious desserts. But besides making foods more flavorful, clove has several medicinal properties that can be great for our bodies. In this video, I'll give a brief history of this spice, explain its main scientifically proven benefits, and teach you how to prepare a yummy clove tea to take advantage of all these perks. So tune in, because it's really worth learning more about this versatile spice. Clove is native to the Molucca Islands of Indonesia, known as the Spice Islands. It was highly valued as early as the 15th century, so much so that it was once worth more than gold. That's because besides being used to flavor foods and make perfumes, clove quickly gained a reputation for its medicinal properties. It has a strong, distinctive aroma and flavor thanks to a compound called eugenol. And eugenol is mainly responsible for clove's therapeutic effects. Now let's look at the 7 main benefits of clove. Improves bad breath. Clove has antibacterial action, which helps fight bacteria that cause bad breath. Chewing a clove bud can freshen breath quickly. Additionally, the presence of clove in toothpastes and mouthwashes enhances their ability to reduce bad breath, relieves pain and inflammation. Eugenol has analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. Therefore, diluted clove essential oil can be applied topically to alleviate muscle aches, headaches, joint pain caused by arthritis, and even toothache. Just massage the affected areas with a few drops of the diluted oil. Protects the stomach. Studies have shown that clove has a gastroprotective effect, protecting the gastric lining from ulcers and gastritis. This is because it stimulates mucus production and has antibacterial action, combating Helicobacter pylori, one of the causes of peptic ulcers. So it can be a good aid in treating this condition. May have aphrodisiac effect. Some animal studies indicated that clove may increase libido due to compounds that act on testosterone receptors. Although more research is needed, the use of clove as an aphrodisiac has been reported traditionally. Helps control blood sugar. Studies have demonstrated that clove has a hypoglycemic effect, which means it helps reduce blood sugar levels. This is because it increases insulin sensitivity and has antioxidant activity, lowering damage caused by excess glucose in the body. So it can be a good natural option to help manage diabetes. Improves liver health. Clove protects the liver from damage caused by toxins and excess fat in the organ. Research has shown it reduces inflammation, oxidative stress, and even hepatic fibrosis in animals with chronic liver disease. So it may help reverse non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and other dysfunctions. Has anti-cancer activity. Preclinical studies have indicated that clove has anti-tumor effects, inhibiting the growth and spread of various types of cancer cells, such as esophageal cancer cells, for example. This is attributed to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Well, these are some of the main therapeutic uses of clove. But now it's time to learn a delicious clove tea recipe to benefit from all these advantages in a practical way. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 10 to 15 cloves, 1 slice of lemon, optional. Instructions: boil the water and add the cloves. Let boil for about 15 minutes to extract the beneficial compounds. Strain the tea, discarding the cloves, to enhance the antioxidant effect. Add the lemon slice right before drinking. You can drink 2 to 4 cups of clove tea per day. Don't exceed 4 cups daily. Drink the tea for periods of 15 to 30 days. Take a break, then resume if desired. This prevents unwanted effects from prolonged use. It's important to be aware of some contraindications for clove use. People with active gastric ulcer, hypersensitivity, or allergy to clove should avoid intake, as it may irritate the fragile gastrointestinal lining. Pregnant women and children should also not use without medical guidance. And remember, clove is a health ally, and its effects can enhance conventional treatments, but should never completely replace medical advice and prescribed medication. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed learning more about the benefits of this amazing spice called clove. Try adding clove tea to your routine and share your experience with us. Leave any questions or suggestions in the comments too. And if you liked it, share this video with friends. I'll see you next time.